there's a bat on our back porch, and John's gonna go battle the bat. He's afraid it might fly into his hair. Hence the pot.
I'm gonna get more injured from the pot on my head than the bat.
Okay, Zoe and I are gonna wait in here and watch. There's the bat. Appears to be sleeping. There's John. Okay. Do your thing. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's awake now. Not really liking John very much. It made a noise that it hurt John's ears. It's a mad bat. Now you have a mad bat. Do they have mad bat disease?
I don't feel well equipped in bare feet.
Well, what else do you need?
I don't know.
What can I bring you? A tennis? Barkley, you better stay in here. Barkley, you're not gonna like it out there.
Barkley, go inside.
Barkley, come here. It's moving. It's moving. Swing and a miss. Swing and a miss. I heard that noise. Oh my gosh.
I don't like that noise at all.
Why don't you try the other end of the broom?
I have a better chance of whacking him at this end. He comes after me.
Oh! What do you think, Zozo? Huh? What do you think about the bat?
I'm about to get the damn shot back.
You have to empty the shop vac if you do that. Oh, good grief. Oh. Oh. I thought you were gonna die.
Holy crap. Like, you always see that on TV? It's that scary. I did not like that
It
at
was
all.
that scary from in here.
Holy shit.
There's the bat slayer. Everybody give him a hand.
I willed him to leave.